First, place the cable into the guide entry and secure it in position. Next, select the correct accessories for the cable diameter at the cable outlet. Check that the neutrings and O-rings are installed correctly, then carefully align the cover with the guide pins and place it into position. Once the cover is seated properly, secure it using the locking nuts. Tighten the 4 bolts with the supplied tools. Do not over-tighten them. Apply moderate torque to protect the O-rings and maintain a proper air seal. Now connect the main air supply hose from the compressor to the machine. After connecting, always check that the fitting is secure. Finally, open the main air supply. At this stage, the air outlet leading to the duct should remain closed. Feed the cable into the machine by hand. Guide it evenly between the drive belts and pull it through the outlet until it reaches the required position. After the cable is aligned, adjust the belts so they grip the cable gently. Avoid excessive belt pressure. Over-tightening increases the motor load and may reduce installation performance. First, confirm that the main air supply is open. Turn the control lever to begin supplying air to the machine. For forward cable blowing, the blue exhaust valve located on the rear of the machine must remain open. If you need to pull the cable back, close the blue exhaust valve before reversing the cable movement. The recommended operating pressure is up to 6 bar. Use the orange adjustment knob for fine speed control during cable installation. The control lever can also be used to adjust the cable feeding speed. The lubrication system is adjusted from this section. Check the oil flow at the exhaust outlet to verify the lubrication level. The recommended setting is approximately 1 drop of oil per second. The resettable counter displays the total cable installation distance during operation. A standard toolkit is supplied with every machine. Replacement belt sets can be included upon customer request. All other maintenance and installation tools are supplied as standard accessories. Each machine is packed inside a heavy-duty wooden shipping crate to ensure maximum protection during transportation.